A membership site offers exclusive members-only content. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to create different levels within a membership site. Let's get it. Just a reminder to check out reviewonlinecourse.com. It's a collection of all my software reviews, the pros, the cons of each platform to help you decide which one's right for you. And just remember, if you decide to use any of my links to trial a platform like Kajabi, Thinkific, or Teachable, and so on, you get a free pair of Apple AIRPODs as my way of saying thank you. Check the description box below for more details. Anyways, back to the video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the different levels that can encompass or can be found inside a membership site. More specifically, on-demand training, live training, and group coaching. We're going to go over each one of these, but first I want to kind of discuss why and how a membership site is different from an online course. Those terms get thrown around a little bit, and we want to talk a little bit about each one. So if I show you an example of a site that I have, this is a golf site. And if I was to kind of think about a online course or an online digital product, this is called micronization. This is a whole bunch of different products that have been created. Each one of these is its own little product. If someone purchased this off of our site for $18 or $27 or $9, they get that specific piece of content. Like maybe it's 3 or 4 videos, or maybe it's 6 videos, whatever it may be for that amount. And they get that, they own that content. When you're dealing with a membership site, and as you can see, before I go on, you can see there's a ton of these and it keeps going. There's another page here too. And there's 20 pieces of these like micronized pieces of content. Well, there's another option to do. Since I have, in this particular case, I have a whole bunch of different digital products. I also offer, if you see up here, a membership site. So I'm kind of combining 2 into 1. I give the availability to get access to all of the content. Not just micronized pieces of it, but all of it for a certain amount of time. So either monthly, yearly, or a subscription free, which means you can own it for the life of the site. So what's the difference? Well, membership sites give you access to the content, and online courses are usually just an evergreen video series that you can own for the determination of how long that whatever the stipulation is of that site. So it's access versus kind of ownership in a way, if you can think about it like that. If we look over here, one of the great things about having a membership site is you don't have to create all the content up front. When you build an online course, that's very heavy up front. You have to work and put a lot of effort into it, and you don't even know if it's going to sell. When you have a membership site, because it can be group coaching or live training, you don't have to necessarily put a lot of time and energy and effort up front. It can just be a committed decision that you're going to make to continuously add content, to turn that membership site into a continuity model where there's continuous updates on that type of content you're making. So a way to level that up and to create different levels inside a membership site, we can look right here on the screen. We have on-demand training. What is that? We'll learn how to use on-demand style training content for members of your courses. People are looking for more information. They're watching your evergreen videos that they own, but they want access to you to get a more specific kind of more specific information about how to actually do what you're instructing in the videos. In golf, a great opportunity is to say, hey, listen, I'm going to actually be giving you guys specific, more in-depth instruction that someone who is just buying the online course doesn't get. This is for the members only. So it creates a little bit of eliteness, and people are willing to pay more for that exclusivity. When we're talking about a live training, this is an opportunity for you're selling your time and your energy. So if you jump on a call or you do a Zoom call, it's live. Now you're actually trading your time and energy, and people will pay more for your time and your attention and your expertise rather than just a video that was recorded, because they're actually getting you. So Another opportunity is a group coaching. So that's like the live training, but instead of just maybe one-on-one through a Zoom or a call, you're actually doing group coaching. So you're probably coaching anywhere from 5 to maybe even, I've seen Tony Robbins do like 4,000 people at once. So what's really cool is it's the internet. It's unlimited. You can have a group coaching call with probably 400 people on it. If Zoom's going to allow it and you have enough package, you can have as many people on there as you want, and you can break them into groups in different rooms, and you can be instructing or do maybe a FAQ with people, because let's just say they watch the course, they have a ton of questions. At the end of the week, you could do a live group training with everybody to answer every single question that people have. That could be even recorded and saved in the back end for people to watch later, just in case they didn't make it. So you're starting to see like these different ideas that can happen when you have exclusivity or a membership site versus an online course, which is just a one-off, usually evergreen videos, and is just owned. It's usually some type of a media, whether it's a audio or sometimes a written newsletter, but it's usually, for the most case, it's usually videos. In this case, we can kind of level up with on-demand training, live training, or group coaching to really give members a very precise type of instruction and give your own time and energy. And you can create a reoccurring subscription with that. People are willing to pay most likely for a reoccurring subscription when you actually allocate your time and your energy. So I hope that gives you an idea of how to level up your membership sites. Leave any comment down below. I'm Fish Fisher, and I will see you guys in the next video.